Equipment deals. We have a 2010 model International Prostar. It's a high-rise sleeper truck, single bunk on it. It's got super singles in the rear, 22 5s. Running decent tires on the front, probably about 40% on that tire, driver's side. Steer tire. Bed's and truck's in pretty good shape as far as the body. Again, super singles in the rear. They're probably running about 30% on the tread. Henderson suspension. Good tread left on the brakes there. Sliding fifth wheel hitch. Got a little bit of rust here on this corner. No rust through, but just a little surface rust, no big deal. Frame is really nice, single frame. All been painted. No major corrosion or rust of any sort. Go to this tire here. Really pretty good shape. Go ahead and open the hood here and show you there's no blow-by. Nice and clean. No leaks underneath the truck, what we could find. Go ahead and get you an inspection on the inside of the truck. Again, there's the build date, 09 of 15. Or 12 rather, of 09, to be a 10 model. Air ride seat. Go ahead and climb inside here. We're showing 74,022 miles on the engine. Or excuse me, 74,022 hours. We got 242,207 miles. Got a 13-speed Eaton. Truck's running. We'll go ahead and give you a quick little example of that machine, this truck shifting. Interior is in really pretty good shape. You know, no rips or tears in the seats besides right here, a little bit of a tear. Pretty good shape here. Bed's in nice shape, looks like a new bed. Not sure if the lighting works. Oh look, it does work. Would you look at that? All pretty decent, nice little truck. Floor, you know, it's just the rubber floor. Now we'll go ahead and get you a quick little example. It's got power windows, power door locks. High-rise sleeper, good little on-the-road truck. Good miles on it still. Go ahead and pass this over to Jessie here and she'll go ahead and get you a quick little operations video. As you can see, the truck runs, drives, brakes, stops as it's supposed to. Pretty nice little truck, good little miles on it. 242,000 miles. Nice truck, ready to go to work. Located here in Dallas, Texas. Interested in this machine, please give us a call, 972-666-9501. This is on the 2012 International Prostar. Thank you.